Okay, back again with V, doing Rainy Days this time. I haven't heard this one before, so I'm looking forward to seeing the video. Um, Love Me Again is just beautiful, amazing. Loved it so much. And one thing I've really enjoyed, I love BTS as a group, absolutely adore them. But I've also really loved watching each of the members with their solos. I've loved watching their individual style and how they've been all developing their own style and working on their own solos, which is great. I mean, it gives us so much more from them that, and they're doing it. You can see how much they love what they're doing too, especially Jungkook. I mean, he's just, and he loves talking to Army on lives and things like that, so you can see how much they love what they're doing, and I just really enjoy seeing them with their own styles and everything, as well as when they come together as a group, which hopefully they will do when they've all finished their Army enlistments and everything. So I think 2025 hopefully we'll see a new album, or maybe they'll start working on a new album together if all goes well. Otherwise, if they don't, we'll just have to be satisfied with their solos, which certainly aren't disappointing. And I've got Layover on pre-order, which is so exciting. But Jin, I know Jin didn't release a full album before he enlisted, unlike Sugar and V and RM and J Hope. They've all done a full album. Jungkook, does anyone know if he's going to be doing a full album or not before he enlists? I haven't really heard much along those lines. So I hope he does. But with Jin, with Astronaut, I know, I hate to say this, but I wasn't fussed on it when I very first heard it, but absolutely love it now. And when you watch the video, and which I have a number of times now, when you watch the video and you know the story behind the video and his intentions, the song itself is just incredibly beautiful. Um, and it's a beautiful gift for Army as well. So when Layover comes in the mail, I'm also getting my Jin Astronaut CD. I think it comes with photo book and photo cards as well, so well worth it, I think, and to have. And I've also, with J Hope, with Jack in the Box, I ordered just the digital Weverse album version, which is fine. It's on my phone, but I like to also have the music on my computer so that I can play it and put it onto USB to play in the car, which is a bit of a pain with Jack in the Box. So what I've done, I've pre-ordered the Hope edition of that with the CD. So and that's coming the end of this month, I think. So yeah, the end of this month I'll have Jack in the Box, and then next month I'll have Layover, and I'll have Jin's Astronaut. So lots of music to keep me going for a little while. And then if Jungkook does release an album, I'll order that one as well. So because all the other times I've been downloading the digital versions from iTunes and from Google Play when they were doing the music there. So everything else that I've got is digital. So since I've started collecting the CDs now, it's yeah, with all the extras, of course. So now I just want more and more, which is good, but it's expensive, but worth having. But yeah, so my little collection is getting bigger and bigger. So anyway, and I saw the 3 final D-Day concerts on live online, and then last weekend I watched the replays on Weverse, I ended up watching the Friday night and the Sunday, but I missed the Saturday, which is the one where Jimin did Tony Montana with Sugar. So I did miss watching the replay of that, but I go on YouTube and I can watch it as much as I like the Tony Montana. So that's good. But being able to see the replays of Friday and especially Sunday was just magnificent. So just watching the replay of that was just incredible. And I'm trying really hard not to think about Sugar and RM having to do their enlistment. And when RM came on stage with his short hair, I started crying. So yeah, and I don't want to think about Sugar enlisting, but I mean, they're all going to do it, and good on them. I just feel concerns that maybe they'll decide not to get back together, which is kind of what happened with Big Bang. They had their problems and everything and did their enlistment, and they didn't really get back together when they came back out again. And I mean, they did one song, and I haven't really heard anything much since then. So yeah, I'm just dreading if that happens with BTS, but we don't know. We just have to wait and see. Anyway, enough raving. Will this be a 5 Granny song? I don't know. I'll have to watch it and see. Watch it with me.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe 이젠 지난 일을 맨날. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same me. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back.
Dog. Shush. Just kids going past. Excuse me, dog barking, kids walking past. No, that's enough. Just kids walking past, that's all. It's alright, just kids walking past.
Yeah. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
Love it. That's gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Okay, the visuals, beautiful. I love that. I love the set. I don't know if it's a set or an actual house or apartment or whatever. I could live there. It's beautiful. Love it. It's just unusual. It's different. Something out of the ordinary. And yeah, that'd suit me fine. Okay, and the song itself, yeah, love it. Absolutely love it. Love everything about it. The new solo songs by V. Oh, they're just perfect. Perfect for him, and I think the perfect style for V. It's just incredible. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, is it a five granny song? You know, will I get the grannies in the right spot? Probably not. I still can't get the hang of it. Yeah, five grannies, of course. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And of course, the visuals, five grannies. Yeah. Oh, I'm just, V is just doing so well with these solos. So, oh, I can't wait to get the album and the photo book, of course. And, oh, gorgeous little doggy. But, excellent. Love it. Alrighty, thanks very much. And I'll be back. Bye.